tryouts. Good job.
The damn floor. Sorry, all I'm doing is slipping. Man, this is easy.
You just need non-slip.
All I'm doing is slipping.
Yeah, you need to get some non-slip Skechers.
You see the interior?
I look at that, yeah.
The interior's nice. I like it.
All right, Ethan, what did you get for Christmas?
Apparently a wing.
Nice.
I don't like it.
No. Oh god, it's paint max.
Nice.
They said for Honda.
No, it's gonna be black. You wanted a black wing. So this thing goes. Right there, right? Oh yeah. This way, the other way. That direction. There we go.
It'll provide more downforce in the front so you get better handling.
Boy, if you want to know. Paint match windshield, wow.
Do it. Mount it in.
I guess a shallow hole saw.
Because the bit's already so raw.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
We need a hole saw. We can't find a kit.
And so it ended up massively appealing after we don't need it anymore. Because that's how stuff works. Saw.
We're drilling the hole too.
It's going to open up this and then drill the hole for this. Dead center. Good image. And I'll even see the inflation tool for these.
I quit. Go home.
Damn, it's quick.
Yeah, that's good. Milwaukee. Bit. Cool. Alright. Instructions book, apparently.
You think Matt brought any pocket waffles?
Probably. I mean, when doesn't he?
I'm hungry.
I mean, I don't know if I would eat Matt's pocket waffles, but that's up to you. As long as it's not blue, you're good.
Having some issues?
Yeah. Some great issues. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, guess what? Not touch the spinning. Those look a lot better now.
Yeah, it's on. Yo,
What are you working on over here?
this Oldsmobile?
Got a sticker on there?
Yeah. Not anymore. Damn.
Well,
Oh,
kind
oh.
of.
We'll get it off. Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it.
Yeah. You ain't gotta worry about it. It's all under control.
Don't miss this jit, ho.
Joe, man, just like when he drives.
Yeah, you looked pretty down there.
Where is no?
Probably should have put that in before you drove it.
What's the fun of that?
One extremely annoying shift later.
So what you got?
All this personal information, so. These are really, really hot.
Yeah, because it's plastic.
Yeah. Like this sucks right now. I don't know why I keep putting it in my hand.
Yeah. Yep.
Can I get a higher? Yeah, I'll fucking take it apart. Motherfucker.
Just hit it with the royal treatment.
You got fucking schmuck all over your head?
I can't find this pen. Oh, fuck.
Here's a perfect example right here. This is the example that I was just talking about. There's proof right there. There's stuff on the bottom. We're using the table. You keep using my table that I'm using vinyl on, so you're fucking my shit up. Different table, man.
I bagged the table though.
Now you didn't bag shit. There's oil all over this. And when you stopped, when you were taking it apart,
Yeah. Look at that. What is that, man?
I bagged this shit before I used it. For that reason.
Dirty shit.
It's the same table that.
Yo, Ethan, did that come off the Titanic?
Yeah, man. I guess they must have HID swapped the Titanic before and we got the ballast from it. So we are installing some new headlights into the Mustang over there. I'm just currently, you gotta swap over the ballast and swap over the HID bulbs from the old headlights, so I'm just working on switching everything over right now.
It's a little lopsided.
Yeah. So, can you pass me that?
Sure, bud. Not a problem. That's what I'm here for.
So high in the air.
You need to come down?